everyone, Jeff Ritter here again, tool truck sales specialist here at LDV. Today we're going to be checking out Bryan McKinley's 22-foot Peterbilt 536. This truck has a lot of awesome features, so we're going to check out a few here right now. Bryan added 4 slide-out pages with magnets, which are great for displaying hand tools or ratchets. We also have the custom Snap-on S logo seat embroidery in both seat backs. We also have a broken tool chute, which goes into a bin in the exterior storage box. From all of us at LDV, thank you, Bryan. Congratulations. Best of luck in your new route. And if you're thinking about upgrading your truck, feel free to give us a call today.